In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the oil on this Cadillac Escalade. Let's get into it. Before you drain the engine oil, you want to pop the hood, take the oil cap off. It's located on the passenger side. You can see on the cap, it tells you what type of oil to use. With a drain bucket underneath to drain the oil into, we're going to take off the drain plug. You can use a 15mm wrench. And drain the oil. With the drain plug, you want to replace the seal. Just use a pick, get underneath the seal. Take the seal off. Taking a new seal, put it on the drain plug. Once the oil's drained out, you can take the drain plug, put it back in. We're going to torque that to 18 foot-pounds. And you can wipe it off with a rag. And more on the driver's side is where you can find the oil filter. You want to use an oil filter wrench. Again, with the drain bucket underneath. And slide the filter off. You can get some oil draining out. And take that off. I'm going to make sure the seal did not stay. You can wipe it with a rag. Check the back side of the filter. Make sure the seal is still on it. That is all drained out. I can wipe away any excess. Take the oil filter with some fresh oil and just wipe down the seal. Good. Now install the filter. And once it bottoms out, you want to tighten it another 3/4 of a turn, a half to 3/4. And that should be good. A little brake parts cleaner. And wash it down. Now using a funnel where the cap was, add the appropriate oil. This vehicle takes 5W30. And it requires 6 quarts. Take the funnel out, put the cap back on. Now we're going to start the vehicle up for 10 seconds. Now right near the fill cap is the dipstick. Pull that out. You want to wipe it off with a rag. Push it back in. Pull it out again. And you want to see in between the dots. You want to be closer to the top dot where the hash marks are. Put the dipstick back in. To reset the oil light, we're going to turn the key on. Using this button on the side, it looks like a car with an eye. And you want to scroll through until you get where you find oil life remaining. And then we're going to hold the check mark button. Hold that down until it goes to 100%, then you can let go. Then you can scroll back to your main screen.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.